GM everyone, how are we all doing? Awesome, awesome. So today, my name is Shannon Chen See. I am the Senior Marketing Manager at Async Art. We are an NFT platform for interactive and generative art and music. And today I'll be talking to you a bit about the new era of music that we're in and music blueprints. Let's start with where we are today. So today, we're seeing that music IP has a lot of unrealized value. And what do we mean by that? We all have access to all the music that's out there, but we only spend $10 a month on, say, a premium streaming service such as Spotify. Secondly, the music industry hasn't yet found a way to offer personalized experiences to fans. Currently, it's very much a one-to-many model. You know, you go to a concert, the musician is on stage, there are many people in the audience, and fans are constantly seeking out that more intimate experience with a musician, but it's unclear how to achieve that. Thirdly, Web3 does have a lot of potential, so we see there's a lot of potential use cases for music in Web3, and there's been a lot of promises of its potential, but we haven't yet seen it deliver on a scalable solution for the many that makes sense. And so what I'll be talking today about is this new model that you see here. And I'll explain. So the traditional model that you see on the left, I've never used this pointer, so I'm going to try. There we go, is the more traditional model where a musician puts out one song and everyone listens to the same song. What we are proposing at Async is the new model where everyone actually will get their own unique song that can also be an access pass to other experiences to create an even more intimate experience between the fans and the musician. And so what we're doing at Async with Music Blueprints is we have a seamless creator tool. So this is a no-code generative music and art tool that people can use. Anyone can go in and use it. It's free to use. And so a musician could use that tool, upload all their different stems, all their different art layers, and without needing to code or without needing a dev team, can create their own generative art or audiovisual project. We would then give them, using that same platform, you can use it to do edition distribution. So what I talked about with having that same unique song, you can have people go in, mint their own song, and have that experience for themselves. And then finally, how we envision this moving forward is for it to unlock those perks and experiences that I talked about, which are events, like IRL events, or merchandise, and things like this. So just to give you an example, I'll give you two examples, starting with what we did in last December when we launched Visual Blueprints with Xcopy, Coldie, and A Lot of Money. And I'd just like to take a minute to recognize A Lot of Money for his work. He actually passed early this year. But this example is The Grifters by Xcopy. And so as you can see here, Xcopy uploaded the different hair, eyes, mouths, and there's different variations of those. And then used our randomizer to then generate, there's over 1 billion potential combinations, but he only sold 666. And then another example of music blueprints. So we launched this 2 weeks ago, actually. This is one of the projects we launched called Homework, which is a collab of 7 creatives, including Pop Wonder, Tara Naomi, among others. And you can see here it's similar to Grifters in that the artist would upload those visual states. But what the difference here is that you see that each visual layer has an audio component to it. And so what I personally love about Homework is that it truly looks like how it sounds. So for example, you'll see here there's a dog, and that's actually Tara's dog. She sampled and recorded and put into the piece. So there's a visual component with Tara, her dog, in the project, as well as an audio component with the song. And so everyone got their own unique song there. And so just in conclusion, I'd just say, we are in a new era for music, and it's very exciting to be here. I think generative music offers a scalable solution to what the music industry has been looking for. And we're super excited at Async to see what our community of musicians and artists will create. And so lastly, if you're interested, if you're a musician, feel free to apply or check us out at async.art. That's our website, and you can follow me as well. Watch and see on Twitter. Thank you.